Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Come take a test drive today.